How to extract image from PDF files. Portable documents format PDF files can contain images, but extracting those images for use in other application is an annoying. Portable documents format PDF files can contain images, but extracting those images for use in other application is an annoying process. Here are a few ways to do it across Windows, Mac, and desktop. Extract image with Adobe Acrobat Reader's Windows, Mac. If you have a Windows PC or Mac, you can use the free Adobe Reader to select image in PDF files and copy them to the clipboard. Readers may also work on Linux systems using compatibility layers like crossover, but Linux systems are better off using one of the other methods listed below. First, download Reader from Adobe's website and follow the installation instructions. After it's installed, open your PDF in Reader either from the Files Open menu or any other methods. Next, click the select tools near the top of the Windows, which has a mouse pointers icon. It may already be selected by default. Find the image you want to extract, then click it and select the copy button in the toolbar. You can also right click the image and select the copy image menu option. This will be copy the image to your system's clipboard. You can now paste the image in another application. If you want to save the image to file on Windows, open Paint from the start menu. Press Ctrl plus V or select Edit Paste with the pasted area still selected. Click the crop button in the toolbar or use the Ctrl Shift keyboard shortcut to remove extra space from the image area. Finally, open the File Save As menu to save the image in the format you want. If you are on a Mac and you want to save the image to file, open preview from the launchpad or by searching preview in the spotlight. Search in the menu bar, select file new from clipboard. Finally, select file, save from the menu bar and select where you want to save the file. Extract image with PDF images of Windows, Mac, Linux. You can use the free PDF image utility from Popular to extract all image from PDF file at once. It is a command line tool, but don't worry, we will walk you through how to set up and use it. First, you need to download and install it, and that process varies by your operating system. If you have Mac, you need to set up the Homebrew package manners first. Next, open your terminal application and Popular with the below command. If you have Linux PC, you need to install the Popular tiles package, and it may already be installed on Debian based Linux distributions. Open the terminals applications and run this command. Now that you have PDF image installed, you can finally extract some image. This is the command to extract all image from PDF files in their original format. If you want to extract all image and convert them to JPG format, you can add the J parameter like this. If you are not used to the command line, the easiest ways to do this is by typing PDF image all without the cards, then a space, then drag the PDF files into the terminal windows. Then types another space, then drag in the folder where you want to we want the image to go. If there is not any ending slashes characters after the folder, add in dragging in the folders, and files will automatically files in the path for you. Those are two methods for extracting images from PDFs entirely on your own computers. There are some web services that can also do it, but